The question says about the beam is said to be loaded in case of pure bending if dash. So option A says that shear force varies. Bending moment is uniform throughout the span. Yes, bending moment is throughout the uniform throughout the span, but shear force variation, it says. So this is discarded because pure bending doesn't have any shear force at all. Option B says that both shear force and bending moment are uniform throughout the span. It means that the bending moment diagram and shear force diagram are same. It's not at all possible because the empirical relationship between them is that is bending moment is integral SF, that is integral shear force dx. This is the empirical relationship, so it cannot be possible. Option C says that shear force is zero, bending moment is uniform throughout the span. So this is very much having the same relevance. You could find the same question being repeated in the paper with a different statement. So option C is the answer. So you could see the same situation, same similar question was repeated in the ECET 2021. Okay, so twice we are finding this. Both shear force and bending moment are zero throughout the span. Even option D is not at all possible logically. So as per the question, option C is the answer.